In today's digital landscape, creating short videos can be a lucrative venture, especially when you harness the power of tools like Pictory and vidIQ. Imagine turning just 10 minutes of your time into a source of income. With the right strategies, these bite-sized videos can attract viewers, generate ad revenue, and even lead to sponsorship opportunities. The potential earnings from short videos are impressive, with many creators earning thousands of dollars monthly. Engaging content that resonates with your audience is key to unlocking this income stream. Using Pictory, you can effortlessly create stunning videos that captivate viewers, while vidIQ helps optimize your content for maximum visibility on platforms like YouTube. These tools streamline the video creation process, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, crafting compelling stories that engage and entertain. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of video creation and explore the financial possibilities, stick around. Let's uncover how you can leverage Pictory and vidIQ to transform your passion into profit. Step 1. Identify your niche and target audience. Finding your niche is the first crucial step in creating successful 10-minute videos. Research your niche. Start by researching popular niches that consistently attract viewers, such as travel, cooking, fitness, or personal finance. These areas not only have a dedicated audience, but also offer numerous opportunities for engaging content. Define your target audience. Once you've identified a niche, it's essential to define your target audience. Consider factors like age, interests, and viewing habits to tailor your content effectively. Understanding who your viewers are will help you create videos that resonate with them, increasing engagement and retention. Analyze your competitor. Next, analyze your competitors within your chosen niche. Look at what they're doing well and identify gaps in the market that you can fill. Are there topics they haven't covered? Is there a unique angle you can bring to existing content? By pinpointing these opportunities, you can carve out your space in the crowded video landscape. With a clear niche and a well-defined target audience, you'll be well on your way to creating compelling videos that attract viewers and drive engagement. Step 2. Create a compelling video script. Crafting. A compelling video script is essential for keeping your audience engaged throughout your 10-minute video. Create an outline. Start by outlining the key points you want to cover. This structure will help you stay focused and ensure that you deliver valuable content without unnecessary fluff. Next, use engaging language that resonates with your viewers. Avoid jargon and keep your tone conversational to make your audience feel connected. Posing questions or using relatable scenarios can also spark interest and encourage viewers to think critically about the topic. Use storytelling to engage with viewer. Incorporating storytelling elements is a powerful way to enhance relatability. Share personal anecdotes or case studies that illustrate your points. This not only makes your content more memorable, but also helps viewers see themselves in your narrative. Use hook to grab attention. Remember to include a strong hook at the beginning to grab attention and a clear call to action at the end to encourage engagement. By combining a well-structured outline, engaging language, and storytelling techniques, you'll create a script that captivates your audience and keeps them coming back for more. Step 3. Utilize Pictory for video creation. Now that you have your script ready, it's time to bring your vision to life using Pictory. What is Pictory? Pictory is an AI-powered platform that transforms text content into engaging video summaries, automating video creation, editing, and enhancing visual storytelling for marketers and content creators. Start by signing up for Pictory and exploring its user-friendly features designed for seamless video editing. The platform offers a variety of tools that simplify the video creation process, making it accessible even for beginners. Once you're familiar with the interface, import your script into Pictory. The software will help you break down your content into manageable segments. Next, select visuals that complement your narrative. Pictory provides a vast library of images and video clips, allowing you to choose visuals that enhance your message and keep viewers engaged. To take your video to the next level, consider adding voiceovers or background music. A well-placed voiceover can add a personal touch, while background music sets the mood and keeps the energy flowing. Pictory makes it easy to integrate these elements, ensuring your video is not only informative but also entertaining. By utilizing Pictory effectively, you'll create polished videos that captivate your audience and elevate your content. Step 4. Optimize your video. Using vidIQ, once your video is created, it's time to optimize it for maximum visibility using vidIQ. What is vidIQ? VidIQ is a YouTube optimization and analytics tool that helps creators grow their channels. It offers keyword research, SEO insights, video analytics, and performance tracking to enhance content strategy and engagement. Keywords. Start by researching keywords that are relevant to your content. VidIQ provides valuable insights into trending keywords and search terms that can significantly boost your video's discoverability. Title and description. With your keywords in hand, craft an engaging title and description that incorporates these terms naturally. A compelling title not only grabs attention, but also improves your chances of ranking higher in search results. Your description should provide a clear overview of the video while enticing viewers to click and watch. Tags and thumbnail. Next, analyze tags and thumbnails to enhance your video's click-through rates. VidIQ allows you to see which tags are performing well in your niche, helping you choose the most effective ones for your video. Additionally, create an eye-catching thumbnail that visually represents your content and stands out in search results. By optimizing your video with VidIQ, you'll increase its chances of reaching a wider audience, ultimately driving more views and engagement. This step is crucial for turning your creative efforts into a successful online venture. Step 5. Promote your video effectively. Promotion is key to ensuring your video reaches its full potential. Share videos on other social media platforms. Start by sharing your video across various social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Each platform has its unique audience, so tailor your posts to fit the style and preferences of each community. This approach will help you reach a wider audience and drive traffic to your video. Join communities and engage. Engaging with viewers is another essential aspect of promotion. Respond to comments on your video to foster a sense of community and encourage more interaction. When viewers feel valued, they are more likely to return and engage with your future content. Building relationships with your audience can lead to loyal followers who actively support your channel. Additionally, consider collaborating with other creators in your niche. Partnering with fellow content creators can introduce your work to their audience, expanding your reach significantly. Collaborations can take many forms, from guest appearances to joint projects, and they often result in mutual benefits for both parties involved. By effectively promoting your video, you'll enhance its visibility and create a thriving community around your content. Step 6. Monetize your content. Now that you've built a solid foundation for your video content, it's time to explore monetization options. Monetization options ads. Start by applying for YouTube's Partner Program, which allows you to earn money from ads displayed on your videos. To qualify, ensure you meet the eligibility requirements, including having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year. Once approved, you can start generating revenue as your audience grows. Affiliate marketing. In addition to ad revenue, consider exploring affiliate marketing opportunities related to your niche. By promoting products or services that align with your content, you can earn commissions on sales generated through your unique affiliate links. This strategy not only adds value to your audience but also diversifies your income streams. Selling merchandise or online courses. Another avenue for monetization is creating merchandise or offering online courses. If you have expertise in a particular area, consider developing a course that provides in-depth knowledge to your viewers. Alternatively, branded merchandise can help you connect with your audience while generating additional income. By implementing these monetization strategies, you can turn your passion for video creation into a sustainable source of income. Summary and key points. Let's recap. So here's the takeaway. Creating cash cow videos isn't reserved for tech-savvy creators or big budgets. With tools like Pictory and VidIQ, you can produce, optimize, and monetize videos quickly and easily. These tools break down barriers and put success within reach for everyday people like you and me. As you embark on your video creation journey, remember that consistency and quality are paramount. Regularly uploading high-quality content will not only engage your audience, but also help you build a loyal following over time. If you found this information valuable, we encourage you to take action. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights on video creation and monetization. Don't forget to like this video and share it with others who might benefit from these strategies. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable content and grow our community. Together, let's unlock the potential of video creation and turn your passion into profit.